Maverick can't help noticing that the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, is yet to slam the door shut on having Manning and the Costa Cup football in some way, shape, or form this season. With all the resources, personnel, and expertise challenges required to play football during the pandemic, even a spectator-free season will be difficult to execute. And with the COVID cases spiking up since the reopening of the borders, I can't see a schoolboy football season this year. But I am just a maverick, a mere mortal who can't see into the future. And I want to put it even further. I saw in the papers where the main sponsors for boys and girls championships are promising a bigger and better spectacle for 2021 in light of the cancellation of Champs 2020. And it set me thinking that Champs is normally held at the end of March. That's about 9 months away. And based on the kind of event Champs is, especially on that final day, I am wondering if Champs 2021 is even a certainty. And don't get me wrong, I would love to see schoolboy football this season. And I want to see Champs next year. But the reality is that this Corona lady is not going nowhere. Miss Corona is one of them nagging, cantankerous, miserable, and dangerous woman. So we have to go and watch her. We have to watch her. We have to watch her. We have to go and watch her carefully. Watch her.